Hello everyone and welcome to the third match in round 1 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's the number 16 seed Mount St. Joseph Preparatory from Manchester up against Bright Beginnings Educational Center from St. Catherine. I'm your host Sheldon Reed and the action begins right now. So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss, and Mount St. Joseph Preparatory won. They decided that they will play first. So with 4 minutes on the NCB Insurance Omni Educator clock, Mount St. Joseph, we begin with Bible knowledge. According to the Beatitudes, who will be filled?
The righteous.
Judges? Incorrect. Those who hunger and thirst after righteousness. Bible knowledge for you, Bright Beginnings. Which gospel in the Bible was written by a doctor?
Luke.
Correct. Mount St. Joseph. Science. What type of lens is curved outward?
Convex lens. Concave lens.
Incorrect. Convex lenses. Science for you, Bright Beginnings. Where in the eye is an image created from refracted light?
Retina.
Correct. Mount St. Joseph, Jamaican affairs. This is a visual question. Kindly look at the monitor and please identify the person.
Delroy Chalk.
Correct. Bright Beginnings, also a visual question. Jamaican affairs. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Rudyard Spencer.
Incorrect. Minister of Energy, Science and Technology, Dr. the Honorable Andrew Wheatley. English language to you, Mount St. Joseph. Spell catapult.
Catapult.
Correct. Bright Beginnings, English language. Spell queer.
Spell. Quar.
Incorrect. Queer. Mount St. Joseph, television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Robert Downey Jr. Leonardo DiCaprio.
Incorrect. It's Robert Downey Jr. Television to you, Bright Beginnings. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the actor. The question passes, Mount St. Joseph. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Tom Welling, still with you, Mount St. Joseph. General knowledge. Based on population, which Spanish-speaking country is the largest in the Caribbean?
Cuba.
Correct. Bright Beginnings, general knowledge. Hispaniola comprises 2 countries. In which of them is French the national language?
Haiti.
Correct. Mount St. Joseph, social studies. Hurricanes, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions are all examples of what?
Natural disasters.
Correct. Social studies to you, Bright Beginnings. What was the name of the natural disaster that affected Jamaica in September 1988?
Hurricane.
Judges? Incomplete. It's Hurricane Gilbert. Mount St. Joseph, music. To which group of instruments does the guitar belong?
String.
Correct. Bright Beginnings, music. To which group of instruments does the drum belong?
Percussion.
Correct. Mathematics for Mount St. Joseph. What is 6,119 rounded to the nearest hundred?
6,100.
Correct. Bright Beginnings, mathematics. What is 8,494 rounded to the nearest thousand?
8,000.
Correct. Mount St. Joseph, sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Lionel Messi.
Correct. Bright Beginnings, sports. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Correct.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
That is the end of section 1. The scores are Mount St. Joseph Prep on 7 and Bright Beginnings Educational Center on 6. Stay with us. This match in the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.